This message is going out to all the voters of Talegaon constituency and all the voters of Panjim constituency. That is right from Donapal area to Raibandar. It is the need of the hour today that you think wisely and vote wisely. Because requesting you all not to vote for the Bunty Bubbly couple, that is the Montserrat panel. Every day, day in and day out, we were constantly battling in our Talegaon area, that is the Panchayat area, seeing the fields being rapidly destroyed for construction. These are representatives that don't care about Mother Nature. These are elected representatives that don't care about the well-being of the people and the future generations to come. All they can see is their pockets. Now talking about CCP election and the area. Right from Donapal area to Karanjala area to Tonka. That is the area that normally I have moved in left, right and center and even in Panjim. People are suffering every day. Water is the biggest issue that everyone has. And yet TCP gives sanctioning after sanctioning to all this 8-story building. People in Karanjale are getting only 1.5 hour water and sometimes not even full pressure. 6 to 7:30 in the evening only. And certain areas gets 2 times. But the whole Karanjale stretch gets only 1 time. And there are continuously tankers being used in societies over there. I'm not just talking. You can ask any of the societies how many tankers do they use. Do you know the society that I reside in also sometimes during summertime needs 9 tankers in a day? Yes, 9 tankers in a day. And with this continuous construction that is coming in, you can see the sewage is being left into the fields or into the sea. CCP and Panchayat are not finding the societies that's leaving sewage into the fields. No one is bothered about it. And all our farmers are facing problems day in and day out. They get boils, they get allergies. Anyone is bothered about them? During lockdown, everyone were coming to Talegaon fields for the vegetables. And these are the same fields where all the society people, even the society where I was residing, was leaving sewage out into the fields. And the builders didn't do anything about it. We as a society, the board got together, we collected funds and we got our sewage line connected. Recently there was an issue in Karanjale where Shastri was the councillor. The pipe broke in October, and from October, the people from Martin Society have been complaining to CCP and to PWD. And what PWD does? Just wraps it up and covers it with mud. And you can see that till now, this is a video of just 2-3 days back for campaigning which I took out. And you will see it that it's damp. That means there's leakage happening over there. And PWD is not doing anything about it. Secondly is the roads. 4 years people have been suffering due to bad roads on this stretch. And due to the sewage work which has delayed and taken its own course. Yet people are suffering. Why internal roads are not being done? Now just before election comes in, they have got the roads done up. Who they're trying to fool? Street lights are not working. When I was campaigning with Joe Martins, 3 street lights we noticed in the night that were not working. So Joe and I decided, okay, let's put in a complaint and let's follow up and get it fixed before elections. And trust me, there was a gentleman, Mario, where his street light was not working for 1 year. He said, Jauche na, he said. We said, okay, we will try. We will follow up and we will make sure that it gets fixed. And Joe and I back to back have been following it up and made sure that those 3 street lights got done. Whose job it is? Is it the public's job or it's the corporator's job who's elected over there? During the rains, the area gets flooded. Now which area gets flooded? Kerant, which falls under CCP level. Secondly is Kamrabat. Up to knee level, water gets filled. And thirdly, Bochebat, where the fields are. That area gets filled. The main issue for this is the Nalla and the creek has to be given importance. It has to be cleaned before the rainy season. This is important, others you will have flooding of fields and areas every rainy season. These people have been crying to you, saying to you that, please fix this. Senior citizens residing there. During this flooding time, they can't even step outside. In Kamrabad, there are snakes going into their house. Another major issue is when you come down from Donapal side, you can see a little fish market that is there near Domino's and near Aiva village. First of all, the Aiva roads have not been touched for the last 20 years. I recently did a video 1 month ago about that road. And the locals also saying that that no one has done anything in this area. Coming back to the small fish market and the vegetable market that is there. There is no toilet for the women till date. 20 years Montserrat family has been in power. Yet repeated requests saying that they need a toilet over there has not been done. Don't you think women need a safe environment where they work? When we work in a corporate office, for us mandatory that we need a toilet over there. This is basic facility that people need. If Panjim market can have it, why can't people over here? And the whole stretch garbage is being thrown around. See near the petrol pump area how bad the garbage scene is. And see how the nallas are taken care over there. In the name of development, land is being eaten up day in and day out. And this is the Montserrat family that gives in permission day in and day out. Mr. Montserrat is the GPPDA chairperson. And left, right and center sanctionings are being done for land grabbing. And permission given to these builders. Who benefits out of it? Do locals benefit? And the last issue that I would like to discuss is the electoral roll. I've been campaigning with 1, 2, 3, 4 candidates. And I've been talking to a few of my other friends in the other wards too. And you can see that one job of the BLO, that is block level officer, is to make sure that all the names are on the same ward. Yet, there has been shifting and changing of all names. In ward number 1, I have witnessed a family of 4. 3 people are in ward number 1, 1 person is in ward number 2. In one building, 3 flats are in ward number 1 and the remaining flats are in ward number 2. In one house, in one flat, there are 6 family members. 3 are in one ward, 3 are in the other ward. One job of the BLO is to get all the names in order. Yet if you check the electoral rolls, they are haywire. Addresses are not proper, the names are not together, they are not mentioned in society wise and building wise. Somebody has really messed around with this electoral roll. Either we pull up the BLOs when they come to your doorstep next, or we put in a complaint on the same. But this is not right. Panjim is the capital city of Goa. It needs to be taken care of. And it needs to be taken care of in the right hands. Otherwise, there will be misuse of funds. People will not benefit. And we can see at the present state what is happening. That every rains, Panjim gets flooded. Requesting all the people who are going to be voting on Saturday. Please vote for a change. Vote for V. Ponjekars. And avoid voting for the Montserrat panel. Because we have witnessed it here in our Talegaon how land is being destroyed day in and day out. Please, it is in your hands to save. Everyone has been given false promises. When elected representatives jump from Congress to BJP, from one party to the other party without people's consent, these people cannot be trusted. There's a lot of money being distributed for this coming election. Requesting people, take it, enjoy it. Because that is your right, that is your money, which you should have been given with good benefits. Requesting all of you all to please vote for a change. Vote for V. Ponjekars. Thank you.